Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, your go-to spot for in-depth tech insights. Today, we're taking a close look at the TP-Link Archer BE6500, the latest Wi-Fi 7 router designed to bring lightning-fast speeds and wide coverage into your home. Now, I know many of you are wondering, does this router really live up to the hype? Let's break it down and see if it's the right fit for your needs. The Archer BE6500 is a dual-band router powered by Wi-Fi 7, featuring multi-link operation MLO, multi-RUs, and 4K QAM technologies. These technologies make it future-ready, optimized for high-performance devices like the latest iPhone 16 Pro and Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. With 6 streams, the router can achieve total bandwidth speeds up to 6.5 Gbps, 510/764 Mbps on the 5 GHz band, and 688 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band. It's built for seamless 4K and 8K streaming, AR/VR gaming, and super fast file transfers. Coverage is a big selling point with the Archer BE6500. It promises to cover up to 2,400 square feet, supporting up to 90 devices at once. The 6 high-performance antennas, combined with beamforming technology, ensure that your connection remains solid whether you're working from home, gaming, or streaming from another room. Plus, it has dual 2.5 Gbps ports, one WAN LAN port and one LAN port, so you're set up for multi-gigabit internet speeds if you've got a fast enough plan. This router also offers robust security features through TP-Link's HomeShield, a suite that delivers IoT protection, parental controls, and real-time monitoring for a safer, smarter internet experience. Setting it up is easy with the Tether app, available for both Android and iOS. And if you need help, TP-Link offers expert customer support. For VPN users, the router supports both client and server connections, letting you browse securely while maintaining high speeds. Now, when it comes to real-world testing, setting up the Archer BE6500 was a breeze. The whole process took just a few minutes, and I appreciated how intuitive the app and web interface were. I tested the router's performance across multiple scenarios: high-definition streaming, online gaming, Spygala, and remote work. In each case, the router held its own, providing consistent speeds and low latency, even when several devices were connected at once. Whether it was streaming 4K content or playing a VR game, the router didn't skip a beat. The 2.4 GHz band was noticeably slower, but that's typical for this type of router, and it's still solid for everyday use like browsing or video calls. Let's talk about the strengths and weaknesses of the Archer BE6500. On the plus side, this router delivers impressive speed and coverage, and it's particularly well suited for households with lots of connected devices. The built-in security features like HomeShield are a huge win for anyone looking to protect their IoT devices. The ease of setup is another highlight, making it user-friendly even for those who aren't tech experts. However, it's not without its flaws. While the speeds are fast, if you're using the 2.4 GHz band, you may not get the same level of performance as you do with the 5 GHz band. Something to keep in mind if you have a lot of devices that rely on the slower frequency. Another downside is that while the router is future-proof with Wi-Fi 7, not all devices on the market are ready to take full advantage of these speeds yet, so you might not see the full potential unless you're using the latest technology. Lastly, while TP-Link offers excellent customer support, some users have reported that the app can be a bit buggy at times, especially when it comes to more advanced settings. When considering the value for money, the Archer BE6500 is priced in line with other high-performance routers on the market, especially those in the Wi-Fi 7 category. Competing routers may offer similar speeds, but the addition of the 2.5 Gbps ports and robust security features set this one apart. Compared to similar devices from brands like Asus and Netgear, the TP-Link offers a strong balance of performance and security at a competitive price point, making it an excellent choice for larger homes or smart homes with many devices. Now, if you're comparing the Archer BE6500 with other routers in the market, you'll find that its multi-gig ports and Wi-Fi 7 support give it a significant edge. While other routers might offer similar speeds, TP-Link's security features and its ability to handle a high number of devices at once make it stand out. The mesh compatibility is another perk, allowing you to expand your network if you need it, something that many other routers in this price range don't offer. When it comes to build quality, the Archer BE6500 feels solid and sturdy, with a design that fits seamlessly into most home setups. The antennas are well constructed and provide good signal distribution, and the overall design doesn't feel cheap. As for longevity, while we don't have long-term data, TP-Link's reputation for making durable products gives me confidence that the Archer BE6500 will hold up well over time, especially considering the company's commitment to secure and reliable hardware. In terms of customer support, TP-Link's service is top-notch. While I didn't personally need to reach out during my testing, it's good to know that the company offers expert support and is known for responsive service. The setup guide is clear, and you can always reach out for help via the support email or phone line if needed. To wrap things up, the TP-Link Archer BE6500 is a high-performance router that excels in speed, coverage, and security. While the 2.4 GHz band may not be as fast as some would like, it's still more than capable for most tasks. Its future-proof Wi-Fi 7 support, multi-gigabit ports, and comprehensive security suite make it an excellent choice for large households, smart homes, or anyone who needs a reliable and fast connection for multiple devices. If you're looking for a router that can handle a variety of devices and keep your network safe, the Archer BE6500 should definitely be on your radar.